Hi, today let's make super tasty simple dal with the twist. I'm sure you would have tried different types of dal, but this comes with a twist. Come, let's make it. In a blender, add in some grated coconut, then goes in some onions. Then I'm adding in some coriander seeds, pepper seeds, add in a little bit of water, blend it into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now in the cooker, I've added in cleaned and washed dal along with some onions, green chilies, tomatoes, add in water, give it 4 whistles. Once it cools down, mash it and keep it aside. Now I've transferred the cooked dal into a pot. Now I'm adding in the coconut paste and just add in a little bit of water. You can add the water as per your consistency. If you want it thicker, add in a little bit of less water. Give all of this a very good mix, and once all of this is beautifully combined, add in some turmeric powder and add in salt to taste as per your taste, and again give it a good mix and let it boil. While our dal is boiling, let's quickly make a simple tasty tadka which will enhance the flavor. Add in oil along with some mustard seeds, hing, and then I'm adding in some curry leaves and then transfer it to the dal. Once you add in the tadka, add in some coriander leaves. This is a final touch, and then give all of these ingredients a very good mix. The main thing for this dal is the dal needs to be beautifully boiled, because that is when the coconut flavor will get enhanced in the dal. And that's it, your super simple tasty dal is ready to serve with some hot rice, chapati. Enjoy it with some pickle and papad in the side. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.